Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna show you a makeup look especially made for EID. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but by the title, I'm sure you guys know what I mean. So this is the eye look that I would wear if I would celebrate. So hopefully this will give some inspiration for you guys. I think golden eyeshadow can go well with so many dresses or lipstick combinations. So hopefully this is like kind of like a safe but glam and smoky look that you can combine with any dress that you're gonna wear. So the first thing I'm gonna do is blend this kind of yellowy color, and I'm focusing mainly like at the outer part of my eyelid because I want a lot of smokiness going on right here. So my focus is gonna be to blend a lot in this area. And it doesn't matter what color you use. You always want to go in with a light color first to create a nice transition that you will later on see around your whole eyeshadow. So I'm just going to slowly build it up. So first I use that light color, then now I'm going to go in with a color which is slightly darker, and I'm just going to continue to do that by going in with darker and darker shades. I like to take things slow and just really focus on my blending and go in with a light color, then go in with a darker color, and this will just, in my opinion, make the whole blending situation look as beautiful as possible. If I would like compare it to if I would go straight in with a dark color and then blend out the edges maybe with a lighter color, I feel like it's not gonna look as well blended out as if I would take a little bit more time and blend like more colors. So that's why I'm doing this. So I'm just continue to blend, and how long this is gonna take, it kind of depends on the eyeshadows that you're using, the brush that you're using. Brushes are also really important. The softer the brush, the softer the application is gonna be. So you definitely want to use like a soft, nice blending brush. I'm gonna link some of my favorite brushes in the description bar in case you want to purchase together with a discount code. But brushes definitely are one of the biggest key to like nice eyeshadow application. So now again, going in with an even darker shade, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing as I did with the previous colors, starting in my outer V, kind of tapping on the eyeshadow, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to make circular motions and blend it out even more. So whatever is left on my brush, I'm also going to blend it up a little bit higher, and then go in with more eyeshadow and just continue to blend, blend, blend. So now after blending all these shades, I also went in with a synthetic blending brush, which is perfect for using like cream colors. So I'm using a little bit of gel eyeliner and blending this a little bit in the same area. And this is gonna make it even more darker because I feel like there are a lot of like nice black eyeshadows, but never it will get as dark as gel eyeliner. So I'm just blending a little bit on top of where I have just applied black eyeshadow. And then after that, you want to go back in with black eyeshadow, apply it right on top of it to kind of lock the gel eyeliner in place. And it just makes it a little bit more smoky. So now I'm using a clean brush with a little bit of concealer on it, and I'm just dragging this right underneath my outer V, I don't really know, the outer end of my eyelid. This will clean up the eyeshadow that is right underneath where I want it to be. So this will clean it up and make it look so much better. You can also use a tissue and wipe it away, but I feel like with concealer, it also kind of removes the redness underneath the skin. So it's kind of like a win-win situation. So now on top of the center, like the inner part and maybe a little bit like in the middle part of the eyelid, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this golden eyeshadow. Now you don't have to go with golden. For example, if you have a purple dress, a blue dress, or any color you're wearing, you can also go in with a similar color as your outfit, which will look super pretty as well. So let's say, for example, you're wearing a purple dress. You can go in with a shimmery purple eyeshadow, where I'm currently applying that golden eyeshadow, and then go on top of it with a purple glitter, and that will look super pretty because any color you're going in with will look really beautiful in combination with the brown shades we just applied. So if you recreate this makeup look, you can definitely give your own twist to it. If you don't want to go for gold, just use a different color. So after applying the golden eyeshadow and the sparkle on top of it, I'm going in with a little bit more gel eyeliner, applying it along the lash line. And then when I'm kind of at the end of the eyelid, I'm dragging it up a little bit more. And then I take a tiny pencil brush and kind of smudge it out so it looks like the eyeliner kind of fades into the black eyeshadow, which I really like. So now taking a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush, using a little bit more black eyeshadow, and now pressing this right underneath the lower lash line as well. I'm not gonna drag it all the way to the inner corner. I'm kind of keeping the inner corner just for what it is. Then I went in with a light pencil in my waterline. You can also go in with a black pencil, a brown pencil, or any color you want to go for. But I have done similar looks like this one, where I did use a black pencil. So just to change things up, I wanted to go in with a nude pencil instead. What a nude pencil does, it will make your eyes appear a bit bigger and just a little bit brighter. So that's kind of the benefit of that. But I think it looks beautiful with a brown pencil as well. It will kind of make your eye color stand out more. If you have brown eyes, you can also go in with like a purple burgundy color or like a green color. You can totally get creative with this. So now popping a little bit of a light color in the inner corner, and you just saw me apply some mascara. Of course, I'm also gonna pop on some lashes because this is quite a dramatic look, so I wanna use some glamorous lashes to finish off the makeup look. And that's also the last step of the makeup look, so we're almost finished. I hope you guys like the makeup look. Let me know if you're gonna celebrate EID, if I'm pronouncing that right. If I do pronounce it wrong, let me know in the comments how I should pronounce it. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Wishing you guys all the best tomorrow, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of